In this video, I'll guide you through how to send a private ping in Basecamp. Whether you're a seasoned Basecamp user or just starting out with this powerful project management tool, knowing how to communicate privately can be incredibly useful. Private pings allow you to send direct messages to your team members without cluttering up the main project space. So, let's dive in and learn how to send a private ping efficiently. First, open your web browser and head over to basecamp.com. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll see a variety of options and tools designed to help you manage your projects more effectively. But today, our focus is strictly on sending that private ping. Next, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen and you'll find the option labeled New for You. Go ahead and click on it. This section is designed to house updates and new items tailored specifically for you, making it easier to find what you need without sifting through the entire platform. Once you're in the New for You section, it's time to find the team member you want to send a message to. Use the search bar, which is typically located at the top, to type in the person's name. Basecamp's search functionality is quite robust, so even if you remember just a part of their name, it should guide you to the right person. After locating the person you want to communicate with, you'll see an option to ping them. Clicking this will open up a new window or panel where you can start your direct message. The ping 'em feature is essentially Basecamp's version of a direct message, allowing you to have a private conversation that doesn't appear in the public project threads. Now that you've clicked on ping 'em, a chat window will open. This is where you can start your chat. Simply type your message in the text field provided. You can use this space to discuss anything that might not be necessary for the entire team to see, such as clarifications, sensitive information, or casual check-ins. Once you've written your message, hit the send button and your private ping is on its way. To wrap up, sending a private ping in Basecamp is a straightforward process that offers a seamless way to communicate directly with team members. By using this feature, you can ensure that necessary conversations remain focused and private, enhancing both productivity and collaboration within your team. Remember, effective communication is key to any successful project, and Basecamp provides the tools to make it as efficient as possible. Thanks for watching this quick guide on sending private pings in Basecamp. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our channel for more tips and tricks on using Basecamp and other project management tools. Until next time, happy working!